And now here, we're thrown with another brick, another brick is thrown to us, which is the import part. So a big chunk, or the biggest chunk of our energy mix is imported. So we can't export because our energy is not competitive. Our industrial clusters are not competitive. We have an import substitution kind of mindset which has created very lazy industrial clusters. Obviously because of the tariffs can compete locally, but when they go out in the global marketplace, they're not competitive enough for exports. So how do we basically balance and titrate this? How do we decrease our dependence on the imported fuel? And how do we improve the competitiveness of our industrial cluster? That's basically the balance. So the third problem that I would like to bring to your attention is the enormous dependence, almost a fracturing external sector, or the trade deficit that we have, which needs to be fixed. And if we are the largest importers or one of the largest importers, I guess it's projected that we would be importing about $16, $17, $18 billion worth of petroleum products. $18 billion. If we don't fix this, we can't fix the external sector. If we don't fix the external sector, we would always be going to the IMF. If we continue to go to the IMF, they're going to set the constraints that they set. And if they set the constraints and we go by them, then we're very difficult to have growth.